Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Learning Links. Today we are going to learn how to solve series and parallel combinations of the resistors. So I have taken an example circuit like this which contains both parallel and series combinations, so you get a better idea of it. So in this circuit we see that the 8 ohm resistor and the 5 ohm resistor are in parallel combination. So we know that in parallel combination the reciprocal of the equivalent resistance is the sum of the reciprocals of the individual resistors. We can say that 1 by R equivalence is equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So 1 by R equivalence is equals to 1 over 8 plus 1 over 5, and if we multiply by 5 here and multiply by 8 here to get a common denominator, we get 5 by plus 8 by 40, and 40 is the common denominator, so we get 8 plus 5, that is 13 by 40. But this is not the R equivalence, this is the reciprocal of the R equivalence, and if we take reciprocal on both sides we get R equivalence is equals to 40 by 13. Most people do the mistake here, they write this one as the answer, but the reciprocal of that is the answer, so we get 40 by 13 ohms. So these two resistors can be replaced with a single resistor of 40 by 13 ohms. So the circuit becomes something like this. Now we observe that this 40 by 13 ohm resistor and this 4 ohm resistor are in series. So in series the equivalent resistance can be found out by directly adding the resistors, adding the individual resistors. So here the individual resistors are 40 by 13 and 4 ohm resistors. So if we cross multiply we get 40 plus 13 times 4 is 52 by 13. So 52 plus 40 is 92 by 13, and that is the equivalent resistance. So 92 by 13 ohms is the equivalent resistance. So these two resistors can be replaced with a 92 by 13 ohm resistor. So the circuit becomes something like this. Those two resistors were replaced by 92 by 13 ohm single resistor. So now we observe that this 92 by 13 ohm resistor and this 3 ohm resistors are again in parallel. So we know that in parallel the 1 by R equivalence is equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So 1 by 92 by 13 plus 1 by 3 is the 1 by R equivalence. And if this goes up, it becomes 13 by 92 plus 1 by 3 and 1 by R equivalence. And if we cross multiply, 13 3s is 39 and 92 times 1 is 92 by 92 times 3 is 276, and if we add that 9 plus 2 11, 1 carried over, 9 1 10, 131 by 276 ohms. But this is the reciprocal of the R equivalence, this is not the R equivalence. So if we take reciprocal on both sides we get 276 by 131 ohms. That is the resistance, equivalent resistance. So these two resistors can be replaced with a single resistor of 276 by 131 ohms. And the next resistor is in decimals, so I will convert this 276 by 131 into decimals, and that is roughly 2.106 ohms. So now these two resistors are in series. As they are in series we directly add up them to get the equivalent resistance. So 1.80 plus 2.106. If we add them, 1.80 plus 2.106, we get 3.906 ohms. So that is the total resistance of all those parallel and series combinations. Now we have to find the current passing through this circuit. So it can be found from the Ohm's law. From Ohm's law we know that voltage is equals to I times R. V is equals to IR, and the R here is the equivalent resistance, the resistance, total resistance of the circuit. So voltage given here is 12 volts, and we don't know the current. We have to find that times the resistance. This is 3.906 ohms. And if we divide both sides by 3.906, this gets cancelled out, and I equals 12 divided by 3.906. And if we put that in a calculator, 12 divided by 3.906, we get roughly 3.0721, and current is in amperes. So we get I equals 3.0721 amperes. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. In our next video, I'll explain how to calculate the current through the individual resistors. So stay tuned, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.